for today's video, we are making a whole chicken using Ninja Foodie. We need whole chicken, this mixture, lemongrass, onion, ginger, lemon, and the whole pineapple. And we're gonna cut it later. I use a paper towel just to dump dry this chicken. Okay, by the way, this mixture is olive oil, pepper, and garlic. All the measurement I will put on the description down below. Rub this mixture all over whole chicken. You can put also under the skin and grab it. And then after we're gonna put this ginger inside of our chicken, onion, lemongrass, and the lemon or the sliced lemon. By the way, this is my own version of roast chicken. And put all the rest of the ingredients. We're gonna tie the both sides of the leg so you'll hold this filling. And don't forget to preheat your Ninja for 5 minutes at 390 degrees. After putting your chicken, we can put the extra pineapple and lemon. It helps to make your chicken more tasty and have more flavor. Bake or roast it for at 390 degrees for 30 minutes. While we are baking our chicken, I make these dippings our side dish. It's cream cheese, mayonnaise, and cucumber. I will give you all the measurements are on the description down below.
Forever. High school pa ako. Ako na lang bahala.
And then I check it for about 20 minutes. I check it and brush butter. I set it to 30, but you can check into 20 minutes and just to brush the butter. And that's the look. That it looks like after 30 minutes. So I decided to flip it just to look the same to the other side. Gonna turn brown to the other side. I'm gonna bake it for 30 minutes again at 390 degrees. And also don't forget to brush the butter on the other side. And after 30 minutes, you hear that? Really good. This is our finished product. So we are ready to try it now. It's really tender. That's the bone part. And that's my favorite part, the wing. Look at that, guys. Look. Ooh. I hope you should try this at home. So I just try it and I've got some little pineapple, chicken, and of course don't forget the one that we made earlier, the cheesecake, a cream cheese rather, and mayo with cucumber. That's the look inside of our chicken. Smells so good too because of the lemongrass. That's all for today, guys. See you next time for my next video. Thanks. Bye.